Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this pretty pink manicure. Let's just jump straight in. First, I'm gonna start with this Pro Gel Berry Shake, which is a very beautiful baby pink color. I will mention that I've already applied the primer and the base, and I'll just go straight into the color. If you've not seen before how to apply primer and base, you can have a look at my previous videos. I have some of them that includes this part as well. I just thought that it would be not worth doing this every time, because people mostly care about the design and not about how to apply base and a primer. I mean, if you're a full beginner, then you might be interested in that, but if you are someone who already done this couple of times and you're just looking for how to just do certain looks, then this is probably for you. Of course, you can still go back, have a look at how to do the primer and the base coat, and then come back to this video. So, as you can see, Pro Gel, I said lots of times that it's not my favorite. I mean, they're not bad, they're quite long lasting, to be fair. It's just a bit harder to work with some of them. It could be because they're quite old, the ones that I have, but also it could be they're just a bit thicker, so it makes it a bit harder to work with. But once you get used to this, you could do really beautiful looks with those as well. So I have applied the pink as one layer as a beginning, but I'm going to apply more than one layer. I will most likely apply 2 to 3 layers, probably 3, just to get it really opaque. I got something stuck on top of it, so this is a good tip, because sometimes you get hair or some sort of rubbish stuck on top of your nail and you don't want to wipe it off, because if you don't use something like a tissue, it will probably cause you to have even more hairs and fabric on top of your nails. If you use like cotton, it's not a great idea, to be fair. So what I do, I get something sharp and thin and just scrape off what I want to get out. Then this doesn't ruin the nail, it doesn't ruin what you've already achieved, so I say this is the best way. Of course, sometimes you even get hairs from the brush, so it could be that as well. So I'm again using my good old pointy wooden tool to just clean the edges. Also, one other negative side of this nail polish is it leaks a lot. So even if you think right now you're looking at this and thinking, oh, it's clean, then a few minutes later it will leak out once you cure it, so not always sure. Now I'm gonna use these stickers, they're water stickers, to do some kind of like decorations. So get these tweezers, I stole them from my mom, and you get the you get the sticker. Well, it's not exactly a sticker, it's more of like a watermark kind of thing. Like I don't know exactly the name of it, but basically you've got that sticker that you dip into the water like this with tweezers, and then once they fully get fully wet, you press it on the nail like this, and then you kind of slide it off. But the problem with this one is, as you can see, that it was backwards, so I had to turn it around. Usually they're not like this, usually they're supposed to be colored from both sides, so once you stick it, you still have color on the other side. But for some reason these weren't very good quality, so they look pretty, but once you stick it, you get like, you have to kind of slide it off and then adjust it on the top of the nail, which is not very convenient. I would say, like, you see how I'm doing it here, I'm just trying to slide it off, but it's really hard. So like this. I've used this before, not this particular ones, but stickers that work on the same principle, and they were colored on both sides, which makes it really easy. You just stick it on top, slide it off, and then just kind of use like top coat to seal it, and that's it. The only problem is you need to make sure they're dried, because if they're not dry, then nail polish will lift and it won't cure properly. So make sure they're dry. Before that though, I'm going to apply this Galaxy 09 because I feel like this glittery galaxy effect will really complement the baby pink. I'm going for this kind of playful, childish, like lollipops and strawberries, baby pink, screaming, that sort of vibe for this nail look. So I thought a bit of glitter, galaxy, like this type of shiny stuff will complement this look. And I was right. The end result was really good, so I'm quite happy with what came out from this mix. I would recommend it. I usually don't do this on light colors because it looks a lot more enhanced and beautiful on dark or on completely white. But pink is also a thing. And I'm fully for it. So I've applied one layer of this, and then the final thing that I'm going to put, as always, is the top coat. I'm running out of top coat, which is an issue because I need to buy a new one. I've recently bought some colors and I don't know why did I forget to buy a new top coat. I didn't realize I'm running out of it, so that's why I'm struggling a lot in this video to even get any. But I will apply 2 layers of it just to secure, because the one negative side of the sticky things is that they peel off quite easily. So if you don't cover them with a good layer of top coat, you're risking to have them kinda peeled off at some point. So I would say especially for the ones with the stickers, you've got to put at least 2 layers on them. I always put them on all of my nails. I just like to seal them and lock them for as long as I could. I don't want to be doing nails, so often, because it's also not good for your nails to take the gel all the time off and on. So it's good to have them lasting at least 2 weeks. And once you're done with that, you get the cotton pad. Soak it in nail polish remover or solution if you have. Any of them will work. And this is the final result. I mean, I'm very happy with it. It was exactly what I wanted it to be. Very feminine, playful, pink. I think it worked amazing. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you've liked this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!